Just ignore me.
I'm tied up everywhere, Kara. Each leg is tied to the bed. I'm serious.
You think your legs are tied down?
Attached to something on the top of the bed.
Yeah.
What do you say, Dan?
I asked you if you really thought your legs were tied down.
For sure you would bite my legs too tight in.
Do you really think your legs are tied down?
Do I really think my legs are tight in?
Tied down.
They are.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
Look, I'm just sticking up so you can see.
Your legs really tied down? Oh, you've got these. I remember those, the things that squish your legs for.
They aren't tied there?
Yeah.
No, they're not tied.
They're not tied down. They're just to help your circulation in your legs. I liked it when I was in the hospital. It felt like a massage on my legs.
Yeah, it does me too. Supposed to be keeping your, I don't know, blood sugar away from your heart.
Yeah, it prevents blood clots because it
Yeah.
keeps it flowing
In
You
my
want-
foot.
in your leg. And your feet too, I guess.
All right, you want to say goodbye to Lindy? Or hi to Lindy?
Oh, I forgot about Lindy. No, I can't say goodbye just yet.
Well, blow her a kiss.
Okay, okay. I'm being pushed. Honey,
I like that.
I love you a lot. I'm so proud of you. And it's just a wonder, my little baby, all grown up.
Very nice, Mom.
Aww.
All right.
Bye-bye.